Okay, I'm here at the Anthony Carts booth. I've got the Salvucci family, minus Sam and Nick. Nick bailed on us, but we'll forgive him this time. So just a quick introduction. I got Mackenzie, Elsie, Jillian, and Joey. So fourth generation and third generation of Anthony Carts. I've gotten to know these guys very well over the year. Great family and great products. So I just want to start there. And first I'll start with you, Joey. Talk about what you guys have been working on, if there's anything new to report.
Yeah, so the last few years we've been focusing a lot on our distribution channels, expanding those, as well as a few key product lines like our pallets, cages, and cradles. Our other things we haven't put too much changes into. We are still doing our carts the same way. We're focusing on just streamlining operations moving forward. Nothing too crazy to report over here, just making it stronger than ever.
Good. And you brought a couple products with you. So first, let's start with the 3-in-1 cart. Give us a rundown on what makes this cart better than some of your competitors.
So what's special about this cart is it comes with both the front bracket for the cylinders, also the chain, and the front casters. Now those casters can pop out if needed, and the beauty of this cart alone is just it cuts down on SKUs for the distributor. So you just order one cart, you can have 3 options for your distributor, and if you need to change things around, you can. It gives you a lot of flexibility.
Love that. And I did notice the pink cart was definitely eye-catching this year. I'd never seen that before. Talk to us about how the pink cart came into existence.
So this was my Aunt Elsie's idea, but the idea is, we support women's health and breast cancer awareness. It is October, so it catches people's eyes, and it's for a good cause.
All right, well, there you go. Quick update here from the Anthony Carts. Great products, great family. I'd encourage you, if you don't know these guys, come get to know them. You won't regret it. So thank you guys for everything that you do for us at GAWDA Media. It's always great to see you here at the shows.
Thank you.